Hey nieces and nephews, it's your Uncle Chris, and I'm going to try to get you 2 recipes on this gloomy day. Alright, my first one was, what was I going to do with all that zucchini I got from the food pantry? Well, I'm going to make my zucchini lasagna. Check this out. I have some zucchini, of course. I have already put that in the skillet and got a sear on it. I seasoned it with Italian seasoning and basil. I have some translucent onions. Saute them, quite nice. I have some tomatoes, 1 can, diced, some mozzarella cheese, my tomato sauce. Of course, you're going to need a nice dish. All right, I've already put some sauce down in the pan so it won't stick. You want to put a layer of zucchini in the pan. Over top of that, you want to put your onions. Over top of your onions, put your tomatoes. Put a layer of cheese over top of that. Over top of your cheese, put your last layer of zucchini. Over top of your last layer of zucchini, put the rest of your cheese. Now with that done, take your lovely sauce and drizzle it right over the top. You ask yourself, why did I put the sauce over top of the cheese? To prevent it from getting too brown. Now, bake this at 375 until all is incorporated and it's nice and golden on top and bubbling, and you will have a delicious, delicious meal slash side dish. Ooh, nieces and nephews, look at this. All right, now you see how that top came out? That's why I told you. Put the sauce on top of that. So, no, that is not burnt. It is not scorched. It is just right. Look, see how this made its own juice? And watch this. As we pull this up, you see how that cheese come apart from there? I'm just going to slice this up. Look at that. Yes, yes, yes. Now that's how it's supposed to look. Look at that. Just look at that. Oh, ho, ho, ho. All right. This came out so good. You can even use this as a main course. All that cheese in there. This is really, really good. I'm going to let this cool down, and I'm going to serve this with our main course.